So, the big question. I really think this is a question that teachers tend to obsess over and make to be a bit more complicated than it really is. I'm not saying it's easy in practice, because it isn't, but in theory, it's simple. So, what's the theory? 5 things: attitude, interest, knowledge, effort, and cultural awareness. I have a positive attitude and I'm always smiley in class, never stressed on the surface. I'm interested in language. I'm interested in the people I teach. I'm interested in their lives and their English progression. I'm interested. I like to think I have a bit of knowledge when it comes to grammar and how languages work. I like to be able to explain things properly. I like learning new things about English grammar and linguistics. I put in the effort every time. I work hard. Sometimes I feel great when I'm teaching, sometimes I don't. I have my good days, my bad days, my good classes, my bad classes, and it can be difficult, but I power through. I'm aware that students are from different cultures, and I understand that they might display different behaviours and opinions to me. Sometimes these differences are radical, but I don't get offended and I don't overreact. I stay calm and respectful and remember to be culturally aware. Overall, I keep up my attitude, my interest, I show my knowledge, I put in the effort, and I remember to be mindful of cultural differences. That's the theory, my theory. I apply it, it works. If you want to be good at what you do, I mean really, genuinely want to be good, then think about these things and try to be good at what you do.